Alright guys, I'm doing a follow-up video to a previous video about how to remove bearings from your Coleman mini bike. I've actually found a better solution that's actually quicker. Pretty much what I came up with is this right here. It's a 1/2-inch bolt. It starts out looking like this. And what I did is I chucked it up in a drill. And then just spun it against my disc sander to kind of smoothen this out and get it a little bit smaller, and then also make it a little bit conical. After I got done with that, I took my, let me get over here where you can see it. Took my angle grinder, split it, and then also drilled like a divot at the end. And then I also took a screwdriver and kind of flanged it out just a little bit. So when I slip this punch through, where this has a angled tip, it will grab in here and expand it and keep pressure on the sidewalls. So let's see how this thing works. By the way, if you got a, instead of using a punch, if you got a long enough, flathead screwdriver, you can actually use, that to wedge through. But I just don't have enough, or a long enough screwdriver, because you need one with like at least 9 inches to where it can go through the hub. All right, let's see how fast we can do this. Take the tool, hammer it in. Done. Flip it over. Punch. Make sure it's in that divot. Put your hand underneath. There's the tube. The bearing tool. Do another side this way. Oh, my hand underneath here. There we go. All right, now let's pop this thing back together. Tube, actually here, your bearing, tube. Alright, take your spacer tube, put it in there, make sure you get your rubber pieces on there. Take the bearing, tube again, tube, pipe. If this is the first time seeing this video, you can, I'll post the previous video somewhere on the screen so you can look at it. All right, thanks guys. Thanks for watching.